Hi everybody, it's Mike D'Angelo. This is my 2001 Plymouth Prowler with 3,200 original miles. I just did a swap of the muffler system from the stock exhaust to the Sweet Thunder 18-inch X pipe. It's all one unit. It's a direct bolt-on from the original muffler. The other thing I did was remove the baffles out of the exhaust tips, and that actually made a big difference with the sound. So I'm going to start it up and hopefully you like the sound. There you have it. It's a much deeper sound than the original exhaust, and really surprised how well it sounds, being it's a V6. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the Sweet Thunder 18-inch with the X